That fundamental understanding of where the music they're playing comes from allows us to do harder songs in the future. It allows us to do really cool things with our instruments that, as beginners, we don't really think about. There's like cool music, but there's a lot of prerequisites to playing cool music. Like our second piece is called Icicles. It uses a new bowing technique they've been developing recently called staccato, which is when they pause between the bows. So that needs our eyes to be up so that we're in time with me, because it's easier to fall apart when there's no smoothness between the notes. And it requires you to listen to each other, because am I playing as short as my neighbor? Am I a little too smooth? Am I a little too sharp? So this next piece, Icicles, is a little faster, is a little moodier, and it uses that staccato technique that we've been practicing.